Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making Waldorf salad. Start by dicing 6 apples. These are Gala apples, but you can use any apple that you prefer. The diced apple should be medium in size. Once you've diced all the apples, we'll need to squeeze the juice from half a lemon on the apples so they keep their color. Mix well. Now we'll dice 1 rib of celery and be sure to keep the dice small. And we'll just add that to the apples. After that, everything else is super easy. Add 1 cup of chopped walnuts, half a cup of raisins, and 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mix all the ingredients together well. Chill the Waldorf salad in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes, and then you'll be ready to serve. Waldorf salad keeps well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. It's great for a snack, a side dish, dessert, breakfast. Let's just say that it's good for any time you want it. As usual, thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when new videos are posted. Bye for now.